What's happening, guys? Ryan here with Texsource. Very excited today to show you our final finished Texsource color chart. It's been a year in the making on these. This is our first color chart that we've made in over 8 years. It's a long process to make these, and we finally decided this year to go and make a whole new line of color charts. It's not your typical color chart like you see in other manufacturer shops where it's the standard 8.5 by 11 printed color onto copy paper. That's not what we're doing here. We're literally making screen printed colors onto pellons for our screen printers. This is a true color chart that we have for you guys. We have 19 total pages, 6 colors per page, a total of 114 colors. We have our Texsource general purpose inks, our Texsource max opaque inks. We even have Rutland in this color chart, some glitters and shimmers in their very back. This is a truly one-of-a-kind color chart that you won't see anywhere else in the industry. It's been taking us a year to make. It's a really hard thing to do, especially when you're doing this many colors on pellons. From going from Saudi, using their LTS systems at their manufacturing plant in Greensboro, to going to our screen printing shop in Virginia. Thanks to Sand Screen Printing for helping us out. They printed over 20,000 pellons for us to make over 20,000 color books. But from Saudi to Sand Screen Print to doing the rest of the work in-house at Texsource, from sorting to lining up each pellon, punching the holes in these color charts, to making the front page, the back page. It's a lot of work, but we do it for our screen printers because we know it helps you guys in the end, being able to show your customer individual true printed colors. I mean, it doesn't really get much better than that. But anyways, we're very excited to show you guys. Follow the rest of this video. We'll show you guys from start to finish how we make these, and you'll see the different manufacturing plants that we go to. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and this is for you guys. So I spent the day at Saudi to really get to know the laser-to-screen system and to tackle a huge project for Texsource that involved degreasing, coding, and imaging 100 screens. I expected this to be a 2-day project because there was only myself and our Saudi sales rep working, but little did I know we would zoom through these 100 screens with them being perfectly coated with extremely crisp detail, all less than an 8-hour day. Here's how it went.
3-point registration. So it's got to hit the left side block, push it all the way against it, and have a little angle up on the right side. And then just push it in. Then we pull it down. We're going to pull up the next two images, which is 17 spot 5, 17 spot 6, pre-process, output, and confirm. Clear and crisp the writing is.
We're here at Sand Screen Printing in Virginia, finishing up our color charts. Texsource always does about 14 to 15,000 color charts every 5 to 10 years. And Sands is helping us out finishing up the printing portion of all of this. On these color charts, we're going to be printing, there's 115 total screens, 115 colors. There is 19 total setups, 6 colors per setup. That's going to be a lot of work here. 1,500 pellons per setup. I think a total of 30,000 pellons overall.